I took a day off from school today to make this video, and it's regard to a feeling I've began to experience more and more in my life recently, and it's the feeling of being lost. Now, recently I began to reflect on who I am and who I want to become, and the two are not in the right place right now, and it's gotten me confused. The best way I can explain it is like this. It might sound a bit cliche, but the toughest war we'll ever fight in our lives is the war within ourselves. And I've grown to understand that concept, but what I'm actually worried about is if I'm choosing the right battles to win that war that is inside of all of us. Sometimes in life, I feel like I'm fighting way too much, and at other times I feel like I'm hiding. But the worst feeling of all is when I don't understand why I'm even fighting in the first place. You know, life gets tough when we're lost. We begin to aimlessly stroll through each day, make choices without much consideration, and question every aspect of our lives. So lately, I've began to ask myself deeper personal questions, like how can I be more productive? Which people can I actually trust in my life? Is college worth giving away 4 years of your life and all the money, or is there another way? And what truly makes me happy? These questions, they haunt me like every day. They pop up from time to time. And I think it's to some degree I've made mistakes in the past leading up to this point. And now they're starting to catch up to me. Nowadays, a lot of people, especially my age, claim that they don't have any regrets in life. And while I believe it's important to not dwell on the past, to make such a statement about yourself is simply delusional. A lot of people don't admit it, and then when they get old, the regret just hits them harder and harder. And everyone regrets something, but not everyone can admit their wrongdoings and get over the pain. Instead, they ignore the past and never truly think about what they did and how to overcome it. It's important to reflect on who you are, to hide behind a screen or to be constantly distract yourself from reality. It's not right. And that's why I believe I'm lost, you know? I've actually began to uncover the truth of who I really am, and I'm not entirely satisfied with myself after thinking about it. Some of you are probably in a similar place that I am and are a bit confused. But that's life, and over time we'll figure it out. But what I do know is that I'm currently not heading in the right direction, and I've acquired too many bad habits that need to be replaced with good ones. I don't think any one of us knows what the future may hold, because life is just full of surprises. But I at least want to make sure that I'm heading down the correct path, because over time, I will begin to find myself once again. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you can, please subscribe. Like the video if you enjoy this new type of videos that I might be doing more of in the future. Comment if you have any suggestions for future topics, or if you hate this idea, just write it down. But, you know, just let me know. Alright? Thanks for watching. Peace.